strange texts from that cute new boy, Chris.
Whoa, that's kind of creepy.
I know. Ew, what do I do?
I know you like him and all, Mabel, but I wouldn't do it. You barely know him.
But he's so cute. I don't want to just turn him down.
Sending nudes can lead to some weird stuff. My parents told me about this girl whose pictures ended up all over the internet because a boy asked her for some nude pics and then he shared them everywhere. It was a big deal.
Oh God, I'd be totally mortified. I want him to like me and all, but this is so uncool.
Totally. And if he stops liking you just because you don't send that to him, then he doesn't like you the way you want him to anyways.
Chris, what's this text about?
What text? Oh, that. It's nothing.
You know, feeling attracted to someone is a perfectly normal part of growing up.
Ugh, Dad.
No, Chris, you need to listen. There are way more respectful ways to show someone you like them. And beyond that, asking someone to send naked pictures on your phones is very dangerous.
What? How?
There could be legal consequences. It's actually considered child pornography in some states. At the very least, it's sexual harassment. You need to make this right.
Hey, Mabel. Can I sit next to you?
Sure.
I wanted to apologize for sending you that text. My friends were pressuring me to send it, but it didn't feel right. I didn't mean to creep you out.
Thanks. It made me feel kind of weird, but I appreciate your apology.
I have a different and much better question.
You're right, that is a much better question.